how to enable save video option on TikTok. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can turn on save video option on TikTok. So without wasting time, let's start video. So firstly, open the TikTok application. So when you will open the TikTok application, here you can see profile at the bottom right corner. So click on profile. So after click on profile, you can see here 3 lines on the top right corner. So after this, here is the options of setting and privacy. So after click on setting and privacy, you can see here privacy option. So click on privacy. So after this, scroll down. So when you will scroll down here, so you can see the option of download. So just click on download. So after this, here you can see this option is off now. So when you will turn it on, so everyone can download your video. So guys, in this way you can allow other people to download your video. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel.